Hey guys, my name is Megan and today I want to talk about the pink pewter monthly themed subscription glam box. Okay, I'm gonna open this up. I'm super excited. So like I said, this comes once a month and we all love getting stuff in the mail, right? Oh my god, I'm so excited. Look at this, you guys. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hair accessories in here for $24.99 a month. Subscription boxes are super in right now, but I love this because it's unique. You're always gonna get something different and you're always gonna get something handmade. And like I said, it's themed. Let's see what's in here. Let's start with the headband. So I am a teacher. I work with high school kids. I have to get up early in the morning and then I'm also in school. So I like something that's super fast, something that is simple and something also that I know the other teachers are gonna like and the kids. So I've got my curls here and all I'm gonna do is put the headband on. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, right guys? And I'm gonna fluff up my curls. See, so simple, and the black is gonna go with anything. The thing about pink pewter though, is it's simple, but so elegant. Look at this. The next thing I'm gonna grab, we're gonna take a look at this beautiful bobby pin. And it's got all those beautiful stones on there. This is just one piece. It's one bobby pin, and just holding it, you can feel like the quality of it because those are real stones on there. Let's take it off and see. Oh my God, look at that. So this is really all you need for a simple, elegant hair look. You don't need anything else. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna style this in my hair. So my hair's already curled. I'm just gonna take one piece. I've got my bangs here and I like to have them out of my face sometimes. I'm just gonna twist it up and slide that bobby pin right in there. That is all you need. And this can be dressed up, it can be dressed down. I have a silver one just like this and I wore it to a wedding and it made my dress look that much better. Let's look at this beautiful bracelet next. So like I said, you can wear this as a bracelet, but you can also wear it as an anklet, which are super in right now. Looks great with heels, definitely. Or you could put this on your ponytail. You could wrap it around your bun. You just pull these strings right here, and look at that, would fit perfectly on like a bun on the top of your head and just really make it unique. Next up, we're gonna look at this headband right here. And this material is so incredible. It's made in Italy too, which is super cool. I love that. And let's see. So there's a couple ways that you can style this, but I'm gonna go with a boho vibe for today. I'm just gonna, my hair's parted in the center, parted a little off center. Gonna put it right on top. It's not under my hair at all, it's just right on top of there. And I'm gonna keep it pretty small, pretty scrunched up. I think that makes it look like natural. And then mess with your hair, play with it a little bit. And this is super bohemian, super easy. You saw how fast that was. Fluff up my curls. And there you have it. So I still have this headband on, but I'm gonna take the other item from the box, this incredible stretch band with these beautiful jewels. Look at all of that detail. That's incredible. I love that. And I am gonna take it and just put it on top of this headband. And it adds, I mean, it looks so effortless, and it was effortless, right? But so cool. I would wear this if I have to dress up a little bit for like a big day. It's perfect for the fall, super cozy for apple picking, right? And we'll just pop that right off. Take this headband off as well. I can also use it to push my hair back. I like to run during my lunch breaks at work, so I would take it from that hairstyle to running during lunch, just pushing my hair back with the headband. And these are also machine washable. That's important, especially if you're using it when you're working out. And this time I'm just gonna fold it up and use it as a ponytail holder. And I am someone who does not like boring ponytail holders. So this, and what else can we do with this? So many things. One of my favorite things to do with these headbands is I put it on top, just like I did the other one, and I'm gonna tuck my hair into that band. These bands are super strong, so I can just tuck my hair right in there. And this is super like Great Gatsby. That's what I love about this hairstyle. And it takes seconds. I'm just tucking it into that band. Maybe I'll pull down some pieces. Oh my God. And it's a headband, but it is so unique with all that detail. It looks like I tried super hard, and that took me all of 5 seconds. This subscription box, guys, I love it. It is only $24.99. I like to keep my clothes simple, so adding fun accessories like this is really what keeps my style unique. I get so many compliments on the accessories I have. Christmas is coming up. I know I'm gonna be giving my sister a subscription to this box. She loves this stuff. The quality is incredible. It's all unique. I'm always super surprised by what I get. And $24.99. This stuff separately would be like $70. So super cute accessories that you can use forever, and it doesn't break the bank. Perfect, right?